dark shadow, light shadow, and a bronze shadow. 5 minutes and you're done. Hi everyone, it's Smitha. Welcome back. If you're a beginner or a pro at makeup, this 5 minutes bronze smoky eye works like magic. If you enjoy makeup and if you'd like to learn step by step, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. And now without further delay, let's begin. As always, I want to get done with the brows first, so I'm going to be using my favorite brow pencil. This is the Precisely My Brow from Benefit Cosmetics, and I'm using the shade 4. Now, because I have such thick brows, I use this to only shape my brows and fill in the sparse areas. Always starting with the upper part and then moving on to the lower side of my brows. And then I'm going to be using the Milani concealer. This is in the shade 145, which is warm beige. I'm going to use it to clean up underneath the brows. And I'm not going to be using it on my lids as a primer because we'll be doing something else. And that something else is the Haus Labs Identify Gel Pencil Liner. Now you can use any gel liner or pencil liner of your preference. I'm going to first use this in my waterline and then move on to using it on my lids as well as lower lash line. This pencil glides on like a dream. And today and tomorrow are Prime Days on Amazon, so do check if it is on sale. I'm going to link some of my favorite products that are on sale down below in the description box, so do check that out. I'm quickly softening and blending the edges with my finger, and then I'm also going to be smudging that kohl liner in my lower lash line. I'm using my fingers to blend because it's the easiest way to do it. And this is beginner friendly, and that's why I want to show it this way. But of course, if you want to use a brush, you're welcome to. I'm going to be using the Lorac Unzipped Gold palette. This is my second palette. Absolutely love it. The shades are buttery soft and very pigmented, and these are neutral shades that I use quite regularly. And this I know for sure is on sale for Prime Days. I have the link in the description box below, so do check that out. First, using Unedited, which is a deep coffee shade, I'm going to press it in the lower half of my lid with my finger. And right about that, I'm going to be using Undeniable, which is a lighter brown shade, again pressing it with my finger. And while I do that, I'm going to lightly blend the two shades together. And then with the large e.l.f. concealer fluffy brush, I'm going to buff out the edges so everything is really soft and blown out. I'm going to use a little bit more of Unedited, the deep coffee shade with a small blending brush, and I'm going to smoke it out directly over the black smudge kohl in my lower lash line. Here's an optional step, but if you want your smoky eyes to look really sultry, use some black eyeshadow. This is called Let's Do It by ColourPop. You can use any black eyeshadow that you have, or you can just use the same kohl gel liner that you used in the waterline and as a base in the inner and outer corners, as well as to thicken the lower lash line. Time for the showstopper. I've been wanting to show you this beautiful bronze shade called Unleashed, which I'm going to be using right in the center of my lid with my finger and spread out the edges so it flows into the other eyeshadows. And that one eyeshadow will take your eye look from a 10 to 100. So it's at a whole new level now. Time to finish up. So I'm going to be using Uninhibited to highlight my brow bones as well as inner corners. And then before I apply mascara, I'm going to curl my lashes. This is the Sally Hansen curler. And for mascara, I'm going to be using the Ico Beach Waterproof Vegan Mascara. This not only adds volume, but look at the length that it adds, and it holds it that way because it's waterproof. And I love using mascara in my lower lashes, especially when I do smoky eyes. It looks stunning. You're welcome to use false lashes if you prefer. This looks beautiful by itself. And I'm teaching you a beginner level tutorial, so I just wanted to leave it at this. But again, you're welcome to use false lashes if that's your preference. It's going to look stunning either way. And here's the finished 5-minute bronze smoky eye look. How stunning is that? I'd love to hear your thoughts, so comment below and let me know. I'm going to finish this look with a beautiful lip shade. This is the Urban Decay liquid lipstick in Law of Attraction.
I have
my hoop earrings on and the stunning black shirt to pull this look together. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so let me know in comments. And if you're new here, again, please don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you'd like to watch. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to thumbs up and stay tuned for an amazing playlist of all the hacks that I've learned over the years right after this video in the end screen. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.